What's up, MTV? My name is Manuel and I know it's been long overdue, but today I'm about to give you the VIP apartment tour. So let's just start here. Here we have my collection of caps and masks as it is standard in our time. Some nice wall stickers that brings a tropical touch to this whole way. So I would say, let me show you the master bedroom. So here we have the bedroom. I don't know who needs 5 pillows.
You don't sleep on these?
No, they're decorative.
For who?
What do you mean?
I mean, you're the only one who sees them, but you don't sleep on them. Then you take them off the bed every night, put them in the box, take them out of the box, put them out of the... I just don't understand the point.
I don't know.
Yeah, me neither, Jennifer. I don't know. So that's the bed. On the other hand, we have my walk-in closet. It looks a little bit like I sorted my shirts according to the color, but no, I'm not that strange. And here we have the highlight of the room, a little piece of art. You like it already? Then just have a look at this special effect. Whoa, isn't it romantic? It's just spring, but it won't get colder than 22 degrees in the night, so it's really nice to have an air condition. But either I'm too stupid to use it or it's broken. I already talked to the owner of the apartment, and when he had the remote, it worked instantly. But when I try it, it's like, yeah, it works and it cools down the room, but then it switches on and off after a while, so you can't really have it all night. And here is like another solution. So if the air condition isn't working, this is my helpful fellow. When you switch it on, it has this really bright display. So if the lights are out, it shines in the whole room. I couldn't really handle it because it was worse than sleeping in a warm room. I needed to find a solution to just cover it. Because it still shines during the night through this cape, it reminds me a little bit of E.T. But now enough from my fan from outer space. Let's go to the next room. So, welcome to the kitchen. This is actually the main reason why I chose this apartment, because it has everything you need to supply yourself. I have like a nice oven and even have a dishwasher, even though I think it's not needed if you're just one person. A microwave. It is well stocked. Here we have some plates and glasses, and here we have like a lot of other things, even a rice cooker. Just next to the kitchen is the dining area where you can host some friends, so you see everything that you need. On the other side we still have a piece of art, you know it from the bedroom. It has the same special features. Whoa! So now let's go to the main room of this apartment, the living room. Yes, this is a convertible bed to host my friends, so if you're interested to visit me, then just join. And this is my entertainment system. Yes, it's great. No, actually it isn't. They just have French television. This is not a smart TV, so I can't connect to like Netflix and everything else. The only app that is working is Amazon Prime, so I subscribed there and now watching the remastered version of Baywatch. It's really great living close to the sea and watching Baywatch. Perhaps I'm having a problem like redoing this MTV show from the 2000s and watching old 90s shows. I don't know. You can tell. So last but not least, I have one more room that I want to show you. It's my office, and it is really nice because it's the outdoor version of an office. In this outdoor area, I unfortunately have some pets, visitors, animals, I don't know. As you can see here, I have some strangely and dangerous looking wasps just hanging from the ceiling of my balcony. I'm not sure what I will do with them because they somehow scare me. I'm not scared of bugs, but wasps, bees, hornets that can sting. So I don't know if I leave them there or if I call the landlord to ask them to remove them, or if I remove them myself. I will just observe the situation. Or I'll just eat them like the locals do. Perhaps I'll just leave the wasp to the other parts of the wildlife, like the little geckos here. So now let's go to the last room, my spa. Here we have the bathroom, aka spa area. I've got everything, like a rain shower, a volcanic looking sink, and a lot of space. There's one thing that makes you really feel at home. Guess what it is? Yes, cleaning, because this is not holiday, this is actually living there. Enough from the spa area, now let me show you my pool. But before we go to the pool, we make a quick stop in my garage. Or actually, it's not a garage, it's more like a parking lot, to show you my beautiful white Volkswagen Polo. But now let's go to the pool. So that was my VIP apartment tour. If you liked it, then leave me a thumbs up. And like they say on Cribs, you don't gotta get home, but you gotta get the hell out of here. So see ya.